Today's the day I'm getting rid of my 1989 Mitsubishi Mighty Max, the 4G63 swap. Been through a lot with this thing. Learned a lot with this thing. I'm gonna miss it to say the least, but I guess it's better on the bigger, better things. Definitely bittersweet sale. I love this truck very much, but I want something more stock so I can do what I want with it. I think I want to, this truck has taught me a lot, and I think I want to take that on to a new project for myself. But what this truck has taught me to good use. I'll miss this truck very much so, but I think it's time. This is the truck. It's got a 2.5-inch drop kit from Beltec in the front, 4-link in the rear, C-notched. That's your fuel cell over there, your air tank. It's on 15-inch, I think, Honda rims right now, I believe. Honestly, never thought I'd see the day. I'm gonna miss you, baby. So, I'm in the truck. I'm in a Penske box truck. Got the trailer on the back. Heading down now, down to Lexington, North Carolina. Picking up the truck, and then I'll probably just turn around, start heading back tonight, and then just pull over and rest somewhere when I need. But wish me luck. Here we go. About 4 hours in now, about 8 more to go. Doing well. So I picked up the truck at about 9 in North Carolina. I was too anxious. I just got back on the road back home. It's about midnight now, so it's been about 3 hours. Seen some accidents. See the truck under some light. This is the main damage that is on the truck. Hard to see without the light on, but it's good. It's dusty, a little dirty. She needs a bath. Interior looks pretty good on this thing. Got a few extra parts in here. Valve cover, extra the dash here, but other than that, she